Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your surgeon cleared cast removal and the planned day. You position yourself seated and upright because gravity helps reduce swelling and keeps drainage controlled. Once done, wash your hands thoroughly and set a clean towel and mirror. Make sure an assistant stands by to steady the head and hand you sterile saline, cotton, and blunt scissors if instructed. You proceed only with the exact tools and clear instruction from the clinic to avoid pressure on the nose. You soften the cast edges with saline or the prescribed solution for several minutes to loosen adhesive and reduce skin traction. Then you gently lift a visible edge and, using blunt scissors, cut along seams rather than ripping. This reduces sudden movement that stresses the cartilage. Make sure to support the nasal bridge with one hand while you separate sections with the other. Once a section is free, set it aside on the towel. Move methodically so you never tug the healing nose. You finish by inspecting the exposed nose carefully for bleeding, excessive swelling, or crusting, and take photos for your records and the clinic. Once satisfied, apply any prescribed ointment and a light breathable dressing. Make sure to follow the scheduled follow-up plan. If you encounter persistent bleeding, sudden deformity, intense pain, or if the cast resists removal, stop and contact your surgeon immediately. Don't force it. This single troubleshooting step prevents complications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.